talk about how can you change password on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. You just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on change password, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step. When you click here on change password, so then here add your email, and here send password or reset link, then it's going to so you will find it on your email, then there can you change uh, your password. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.